Can pig farming replace your salary? Honest answer. Yes, I can boldly say that, but not how you think. Pay attention, because if you misunderstand this, you will lose money. This video is for serious diaspora investors. Pig farming is not for instant income. Rather, it is structured scaling. Stay with me, because at the end, I will show you the income stage where salary replacement becomes realistic. Below 20
Welcome to Global
pigs is still your survival stage,
where we have all kinds of
meaning you are learning.
and species of people.
From 30 pigs to 60 pigs
As you can see,
is your growing stage. That is your growth stage.
see here is up to
Now,
3 months.
100 pigs plus. Once you arrive at 100 pigs, 100 sows that do give birth to piglets for you every section,
Pigs all the way in the room.
this now turns to a structured stage. It now becomes your structured stage. Most people want stage 3, which is the structured stage income, in replacement of stage 1 discipline stage, if you know what I mean. Farming does not replace salary, but scale replaces salary. If you think long term, yes, pig farming can outperform salary, but only with structure. In the next 90 days, I plan to increase from 27 pigs to 50, and here is exactly how we plan on doing that. Pig farming is not motivation. This is structure. Now, you have to think about stabilization.
These are one of the best pigs
You will only think about expansion when you might have already been stabilized, which means improve your feed efficiency, the health audit of your pigs,
very clean.
and you also have to make sure of a cash reserve system. In this way, when anything like disease outbreaks breaks in your farm, or when anything spoils in your farm, you will be up and doing.
You can see their height. Have a
Now,
very
you
nice-
also have to know, if you are talking about multiplying in pigs or multiplying your piglets, you must understand that you have to take it as an imminent factor to always track pregnancy cycle of the sows in your site. You have to make sure to reduce mortality. In this way, you start thinking about reinvesting profit for growth. Always track pregnancy cycles,
up to 4 to 5 months.
reduce mortality, and reinvest profit. When you reinvest your profit, this is when it gets more massive. Then you start talking about preparing new housing, secure feed contract with companies, or you can as well set up your own feed manufacturer and also strengthen your management. Why am I saying this? Because it's part of the business. Scaling is not adding pigs. Scaling is to increase in control. I am not building high. I am building a system.
As you can see, this is our
Follow
next
us in our journey.
This is our
Subscribe
next
if we are serious.
have a
And
very
see you
nice
in our next video.